in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently, right? So let's go into the Snapchat mobile application here and just go to the profile which is on top right side corner, and after that you have to click on the setting, right? And here in the below downside you can see the option of delete my account, but there's an option, so we have to click on I need help and just wait for a few seconds till it gets load, and just wait it. And here you have to scroll a little bit down and you have to select managing my account, and you can see the last option, delete or reactivate my account, right? So click on that. And how do I delete my Snapchat account? The first option, so click on this, and here you will see the steps which is written here, but we didn't found the delete account option in the settings icon, right? So we will click on the account portal here and we will just wait, and after that you can see here is my ID name, and I have to enter my password, and after entering my password I have to continue, and they will ask me once again to confirm it, and that's it guys, I can delete my account, right? And you can read the instructions here. It's pretty easy, and I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, like this video right now and leave a comment down below, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.